Now, something else I notice is this stain right here. That won't be from the water heater, that'll be from the window. And that's something that you guys should be looking for, is sealing your windows. Otherwise you'll end up with these issues inside, because this floor goes underneath that wall to the outside. And then if that window leaks, it leaks behind the material, which is metal or wood or vinyl siding, goes down, hits the particle board, and then it soaks back. And then you end up with a soft spot right there. So you guys need to be conscious of that. Sealing the windows is very important. And also the roof above the window. But generally this lines up right with the window.